Hi, and welcome to the CooperVision Lens Care tutorial. Over the next few minutes, we will walk you through what we feel are the best practices for the application and removal of your contact lenses. Remember that this presentation is meant as a guide. For any specific questions or concerns, please contact your eye care practitioner. Okay, let's get started. First, always begin by washing your hands thoroughly with mild soap before any interaction with your contact lenses. Rinse and dry your hands completely with a lint-free towel. Moisture from your finger could cause a soft lens to flatten, and if your hands are wet, a contact lens could stick to your finger. If you're near a sink, close the drain or insert drain plug to avoid any mishaps. As a helpful suggestion, we recommend that you always apply and remove your contact lenses in the same order. This will help eliminate mix-ups or confusion. Always start with your right eye when inserting your lenses. Remove the contact lens from its case or blister and place it in your left palm. Rinse the contact lens with the solution recommended by your eye care practitioner. Once you're finished rinsing, examine the lens for any particles, deposits, or tears. Place your contact lens, cup side up, on the tip of your dry index finger on your right hand. Make sure the lens is right side out. You should see the lens edge almost straight across. If the lens is inside out, the lens edges will bow out slightly. If this is the case, make sure to reverse the lens so it's right side up. Next, pull down your bottom eyelid using the middle finger of your right hand. Use the index finger on your left hand to hold up the upper eyelid and the eyelashes to avoid blinking. Now, look up so that the white part of your eye is visible. Gently place the lens onto the white part of your eye without pressing it in. Let go of your bottom eyelid first. Look down to help position the lens, then release your upper eyelid. Close your eyes, blink several times to ensure the lens is in place and centered. Once the lens has been applied properly, cover your left eye with your hand and view an object in the distance to ensure the lens is in place and that you can see correctly. Now follow the same steps to apply the contact lens in your left eye. Now, let's go over the removal process. To begin, follow the first steps as we did for the application. Wash thoroughly and dry your hands completely. Always start with your right eye when removing your lenses. Looking upwards, hold your upper eyelid with the index finger of your left hand. Hold down the bottom eyelid with the middle finger of your right hand. With the index finger of your right hand, slide the lens down to the lower white part of your eye. Now gently squeeze the lens between your right thumb and index finger and remove the lens from your eye without any excessive folding. After removing the lens, place it in the center of your palm. Pour contact lens solution into the surface of the lens. Using your index finger, gently rub the solution back and forth into the surface of the contact lens for 30 seconds. Clean the other side of the lens. Now place the freshly cleaned lens into the lens case and cover with contact lens solution and close the lens case. Follow the same steps to remove the lens from your left eye. That wraps up the CooperVision contact lens application and removal tutorial. Remember, if you have any questions regarding your contacts, check with your eye care practitioner. Thanks.